Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I shall be showing you how to make an homemade face mask. Now stay tuned as you watch. Now to start with, I'm going to measure what I have here on this fabric. I have 8 inches for the length. Then for the width, I have 8 inches. It means it's 8 by 8. Now I have 2 pieces of fabric here. Sorry, I'm working on 2 pieces of fabric. Now the first thing to do here, haven't placed it on each other. I'm going to fold it into 2 equal parts this way. And I will notch this place to get my middle point. Both the edge here and the base. Now I will open it, then I will do the folding. So lest I forget, this is a pleated homemade face mask. So let's move on. Now I'm going to fold, take one of these pieces, so I'm going to start off by folding it exactly on the point where I notch and I will seal. Then to my right hand side here, I will also fold. To meet that center point as well. Exactly what I did here is what I'm going to do at the base here. So I'm going to sew this edge. So making of face mask is so easy, something you can make by yourself even at home. Sorry. So what I've done here is what I shall be doing to the other piece. Exactly what I did here, or what I've done here, is what I shall be doing to this. Now I'm going to fix my elastic on both ends. Now what I've done here, the fixing of the elastic, is what I shall be doing to the second end here. Exactly what I've done here. Okay, let's go. Now, having through with this, the next thing for me is to lay this one on this second one like this. Lay it on each other to overlap each other. Now I'm going to start my sewing from here like that, goes like this, then I sew it, then to this edge. I won't close it up here because I have to leave a space here where I'm going to finally turn it out. So let's go. Now the next thing for me is to turn it out. Through this space I've left, I'm going to turn it out before I finally close it up. As you can see, I've got my face mark, homemade face mark. So the next thing now is to close it up here, and that is all. Now we sew it round the second time. So we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please, you can subscribe to my channel, you can share and also like. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.